yung mga blanco. Pass a law with blank. It is not allowed by law. You cannot pass an incomplete appropriation or bill for that matter, whatever. Pagka ganon, there's something terribly wrong. And as a matter of fact, I would say, kung may mga blanco yan lumusot, that is not a valid legislation. Kung nasa batas na yan, lumabas na yan ng blanco-blanco, either it could be filled up before or after sa Congress. Pagka ganon, what must be submitted is the true and correct figure coming out as prepared by the budget submitted to Congress for appropriation. Pagka putol-putol yan o may kulang, that is not a valid budget. It's not only inaccurate, but I think the budget is in totality invalid. Hindi na pwede mag-blanco-blanco dyan sa pera ng tao. Ano ka man? You know, it's people's money. Maglagay ka ng mga, mga provisions, but without the true and correct items or money that would be appropriated by Congress, by the people owning the money. So everything must be explained, clear, patent, without doubt. I would like to remind Congress, mali ho yan. It's invalid. Please correct it. Or record the budget and demand an explanation kung bakit dumating sa inyo yan na ganon ka-blanco. Para ka nagbinigyan ka ng blanco check dyan. O sige, bahala na kung ano ilagay ninyo.